Is it time to upgrade your Ubuntu installation? Are you a couple years behind or just want the newest features? Let's take a look at how you can upgrade your system to the latest Ubuntu release. I'm EposVox, here to make tech easier and more fun via free educational videos. I'm here today with a new Ubuntu video sponsored by System 76, the best Linux PC distributor I can recommend. Hopefully if you've reached this point, you've already decided whether or not you should or want to upgrade your Ubuntu installation. This should depend on which version of Ubuntu you're using, LTS or Standard. A current list of Ubuntu releases can be found in the Ubuntu Wiki, link in the video description down below. There are two ways you can upgrade Ubuntu, while you're running your current installation or upgrading from installation media. A standard upgrade is great for moving from one release to the next, for example from 16.04.1 to 16.10, as you see here. Upgrading from media provides a more stable environment, since the system isn't actively running while being upgraded. If you're more than one version behind, you'll need to upgrade from media anyway. And either way, it's recommended to create installation media before upgrading, just to make sure you have tools available in case something goes wrong during the installation. Let's upgrade while running an older version. In this case, we're running Ubuntu 16.04 and we're upgrading to 16.10. First, open up the software updater. You can do this by opening the dash and typing in update and then clicking software updater. Click on settings and choose updates. Towards the bottom, select notify me of a new Ubuntu version. Here you can choose between being notified of all new Ubuntu versions or just the LTS versions. This option will require your password. Once you've chosen, close the window. Open the software updater again and it will check for updates. If there are important normal upgrades available, you may need to install these first and restart before upgrading versions. Once you're ready, the updater will tell you that a new Ubuntu version is available. Choose Upgrade. Follow the instructions to upgrade your Ubuntu installation. It will prompt you to select OK or Upgrade a few times and then restart your system. If you use third-party software repositories, those get disabled during the upgrade and will need to be re-enabled. To do so, open the software updater again, click Settings, and go over to Other Software. It indicates which ones were disabled during the upgrade. Select the ones you wish to re-enable. It automatically bumps you to the top of the list each time you select one though, so have fun with that. Finishing that, we'll recheck software for updates and you may find that more apps have updates available now. You may also find that some repositories return errors due to only being configured for the previous release of Ubuntu. You can manually remove these repos, replace them, or just deal with the errors like I often do. And you're done! Enjoy the new version of Ubuntu! If you're stuck in the installation, System 76 has a few support pages for fixing upgrade issues, and I will try to get some videos out on these topics as well. Okay, now let's talk about installing from media. Insert your live disk, USB or DVD, and restart your computer. Tell your PC to boot from the device or disk. Once the live installer loads, choose Install Ubuntu. Next, check the box labeled to Download updates while installing Ubuntu to update your installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your upgrade. To keep your files and settings from your previous installation, make sure that you choose the Upgrade Ubuntu option once it detects your existing install and prompts you. You will have the option to erase disk and install Ubuntu, which will get rid of all of your files, so choose carefully. Also, if you're asked about the installation of grub_pc during the upgrade, select Install the package maintainer's version, not the default option. And that's it. Restore any third-party repos you need and be off with your new Ubuntu version. If you're on a System 76 machine, you'll also need to download and install the System 76 driver. Follow the commands on screen and in the video description to add the repository and install the driver. There's also an optional one for NVIDIA graphics if you have a discrete GPU. This video is sponsored by said company, System 76. They're a fantastic team looking to provide the world with slick Ubuntu-based machines to unleash your full potential. They're great people who make great products and I highly recommend you check them out. Click the link in the video description to learn more. That's it from me. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, get subscribed for more awesome tech and Linux videos. I'm EposVox, your tech-ucationer, and I will see you next time.